Nana, who are you talking to, Nana? Here's a foreshadowing in a few years of Nana on the phone. Oh, who are you talking to, Nana? Oh, is that right?
To Nana. To Nana.
Where's your phone, babe?
Not to Nana.
Well, Nana has two of them. Who are you going to talk to on the phone?
No.
Who are you going to talk to on the phone?
No.
Oh, you finished talking on the phone?
Yeah.
Who did you talk to on the phone?
Oma.
Oma, what did you tell Oma? Tell Grandma, tell me again, what did you tell Oma? Basketball players? What about the basketball players?
No.
They're at the park?
No, not
Oh, they're not at the park today?
No.
Why? What's today?
Monday.
Oh, Monday, you're right. They're not at the park on Mondays?